Hey guys, if you want to slow down or if you want to go ahead and speed up a video that you're watching on YouTube, don't worry about it. It's actually extremely easy to do. So let's say you're watching the video. Then once you tap on the screen, you're going to see on the top right hand side a icon that looks like a gear. Tap on that. That will be on the top right hand side of your screen. Then right down here below, you're going to see something that says playback speed. So that's the second option, playback speed. From here to slow it down, I can choose this 0.25 for example. Play it, it's going to be very slow as you guys can see. Let me just pause this for now. Gear icon. This time I'm going to choose 2 times. So that's going to go really fast. And there you go. So right now it's going really fast. And then we have everything in between. So we can choose, for example, 1.25 or various speeds right here that we've got. So once again, we have all of these speeds. We can make it normal if we want to just get back to normal. But that's how you guys can speed up or slow down a video that you're watching on YouTube. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.